The live price of Terra Classic is $0.00000572 per LUNC/USD today with a current market cap of $374.80 million US dollars. 24-hour trading volume is $53.50 million US dollars. Terra Classic is minus 0.63% in the last 24 hours. It has a circulating supply of 6,551.77 billion US dollars. Terra Classic price prediction: will the LUNC price eliminate a zero in 2022? The cryptoverse has witnessed a very unusual event, which has been outrageous for investors and marketers from the crypto spectrum. The event is of none other than that of Terra, now Terra Classic. The price dump of the crypto asset has been hard to swallow for the industry. The fall, which had started following the depeg of UST, further aggravated following mass liquidations and manipulations. Marketers from the business are still perplexed over the future of Terra Classic, LUNC, and the recently launched Terra, which is yet to test the waters. Buckle up as we decode the plausible price prediction of LUNC for 2022 and beyond. Terra Classic price forecast for Q3. The altcoin could chug up to greater heights if it seeks impetus from volumes. If the digital asset manages to make its presence felt in the industry, the price of LUNC might soar to its quarterly high of $0.000713. On the flip side, if it continues to fall prey to pump and dump schemes, the price might tumble down to $0.000573. That said, constrained by the linear price projection, the average price could land at $0.000644. Terra Classic price projection for Q4. The optimism of the fourth and the final quarter of 2022 could turn fruitful for LUNC price. With an escalating count of buy orders, the price of the digital asset might catapult to its maximum target of $0.000883. In contrast, if the broader market falls prey to bearish clutches, the price might take a dip to $0.000067. That said, an equilibrium in buying and selling pressures could settle the price at $0.000784. LUNC price prediction for 2023. If Terra Classic witnesses a major push by big money holders or whales, LUNC might eliminate a zero from its price tag. Successively, the digital token might hit its potential high of $0.000132 by the end of 2023. On the other hand, if the project falls prey to the bears, LUNC's price might land at the minimums of $0.000825. Terra Classic forecast for 2024. Terra Classic's LUNC might ascend to a maximum of $0.000208 if it manages to hold on to its prominence against that of Terra, Luna. However, if the crypto industry undergoes major reforms with regulatory clampdowns by governments across the globe, LUNC's price might sink down to the lows of $0.001226. LUNC price trajectory for 2025. The coin market industry will spectate numerous changes by the end of 2025. If Terra Classic sees impetus from the team or comes across a revival plan, the price of LUNC might chug up to a maximum of $0.000322 by the end of 2025. In contrast, if the digital asset finds the lack of developments and impetus, the price might land at $0.000188.